Hey everyone! Log out of your Apple ID. Today I'll show you the 3 official ways to unlock it fast. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to iforgot.apple.com unlock. And here enter your Apple ID and follow the unlock or password reset steps. If that asks for verification, you can use a trusted phone number or trusted device. Second, if you have the access to another iPhone or iPod, open the Apple Support app and select Support Tools and click the Reset Password and select the Help Someone Else and follow the guided flow. And that often works even when you can't access your own device. And third, if your block by activation lock or normal flows fail, start account recovery through iForgot or contact Apple support, and you may need to provide a proof of purchase or ID. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.